Hey everybody, Andy Stavros here. I'm excited to introduce you to 138 Emerald Bay, behind the prestigious gates of the Emerald Bay community. We're here on the ocean side of the highway near the North Beach access and the residence gate, sitting on a flat, usable corner lot. I can't wait to show you the house. Follow me. The home was recently redesigned in the sophisticated Santa Barbara style with over 3,400 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, open living spaces, dining, a chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. All the rooms here on the lower level open up to the spacious and private backyard. And that's 138 Emerald Bay. I hope you enjoyed the tour. The home comes completely turnkey with all the restoration hardware furnishings inside and this newer Timberland golf cart. So you can cruise to the beach and cruise all the Emerald Bay amenities in style. I'll see you next time.